Okay, grade 7 and 8. Here is our new and improved writer's notebook. Last year you had a document, if you were in my language arts class, that was called your journal. This is going to be similar, but I just wanted to put everything in the same spot for you. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this tab here, and when I click on it, it's going to come up with a link. So it goes to slide 7. It doesn't matter what number, you just want to go to whatever's linked. All of the top tabs are linked as well. And if you put it into present mode, then you'll be able to click on them without waiting for it to pop up. So this is the how-to tab. The first thing is how to set up your notebook, which I'm going to go through with you today. The second thing is drafting instructions. Okay, so let's try this one. Again, it's linked, so here we go to setting it up. So the very first thing you're going to do is change your name on slide 1. So here's slide 1, and we're going to change our name. So this would actually be deleted, and you're going to fill in your name there. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is add your Bitmoji onto slide 1 if you want to. That's that same slide right here. So if you have your Bitmoji handy, go ahead and put that in there. Then you're going to add some family photos, friend photos, anything you want onto slides 2, 3, and 4. Now, if you need your phone to do this, that's fine. Just make sure that you ask for permission in class first so that I know you have it out to be working on this. Okay, so slides 2, 3, and 4. Right here it says delete this box and put some photos of you here. Okay, you can fill up this page with photos of you. And if there's any space here, you can put photos there as well. Okay, we're on to number 4. You're going to link your writer's notebook document onto slide 3. And number 5, you're going to link your goals sheet onto slide 4. Okay, so I'm going to show you the detailed how to link documents here. Let's start with your writer's notebook. Now, I would have linked that in for you, except that Google Classroom will make a copy for each of you, and then I don't have to. That means that on the Classroom, you're going to see you have your copy. Now, once you open that up, you are going to have a copy that looks just like this, except it'll have your name in there. Okay, so I'm going to pretend that this is yours. You're actually going to open it up, not just look at it from your drive or from Classroom, but open it. And then you're going to go up here and copy the URL. So that's Control C, or you can right click Snakebite and actually choose copy. Okay, and then I'm going back into my writer's notebook. This is the part we're working on here, slide 3. So I'm going to go up to slide 3. I'm going to highlight this whole thing. Again, right click or Snakebite, or you can go Insert, Link. And when that opens up, you're going to copy in the URL that you just copied, apply that. Now when I click on this, it's going to open up that document. You can see it there, and I can open it right from there. I'm going to undo that because this is the template and I don't want to put the general one there. So remember, you're doing this individually because Google Classroom is going to make a copy that's just for you. So then when I open up your slides writer's notebook, I can click on it there and get to yours, and so can you. Okay, the next instruction in setting up was to link your goals sheet on slide 4. So this is going to be the exact same thing. When you click on it in Google Classroom, you are going to get a goals sheet that's just for you. Looks like this, it's yellow. So again, you're going to open this up, go up to the URL bar, Control C, back into this document, we're going to slide number 4. And this time I'm going to do this text right here. So highlight my goals. and right click or go to insert. Here it is, link. I'm going to paste that in there and apply. Now when I click on this, your goal sheet will come up. Okay. We'll talk about how to use the goal sheet and everything later. We just want to make sure it's linked in there right now. Okay. Again, I'm going to undo that because this is the template document. Okay, let's go back up to the very first one. So those were the how-to documents. Okay, there's also drafting instructions, which we'll go through separately. That hasn't changed from last year if you were in my class. Grade 7s, I'll go through that in more detail with you because that'll be new to you. Okay, then we've got different tabs here. So I'm going to click on the Ideas tab. Okay, and this has 2 blank ideas lists that you are going to fill in, but we'll do that together in class, and 1 general list that already is filled in for you. Go to drafting. This is where you will have linked your writer's document. I'm going to go to working on. Hey, we are going to go through this later, but right here, you are also going to either link or write the title or both of the writing piece that you're working on. We'll do that later, but you're going to link it exactly the same way as I just showed you those last 2. Okay, these are some checklists, the editing checklist you might use, revising checklist. They are linked right there, so all you have to do is click on it and it'll come up. Okay, all of these other checklists we are going to use at certain times throughout the year. So I will actually say to you, don't forget to use the narrative checklist for grade 7 for this. So you'll look through here and you'll see narrative checklist grade 7, and you can access it from here. So don't worry about these quite yet. All of these ones here we're going to come back to. Okay, and then we have published. When you start to publish pieces, we're going to do that in slides. You are going to put the title right here. And then you're going to link to your published piece in the same way that we just did those last 2 links. So you would find it in your drive, open it up, copy the URL from here, highlight the text, add a link, and copy that in right here, then press apply. Okay, so that covers your new and improved writer's notebook, at least generally speaking. Today, all you need to do is get it set up with those links, and don't forget the how-to instructions are right here, or you can rewatch the video at the beginning to see how the links are being done.